Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Amejoya and you are watching my channel Tech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you the new iPhone tricks you probably don't know that exists. So before starting my video, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. So let's find out these settings. Trick number 1 is open your contacts, scroll them from down to bottom, and at the bottom you can see a duplicate option. Now you can merge them all or swipe from right to left to delete them. Trick number 2 is related to your Wi-Fi password. If you've forgotten your Wi-Fi password, then you can easily recover it now. Just go to your settings, tap at your Wi-Fi and tap at the I option. Now tap at your Wi-Fi password and giving your touch ID or password, you will be able to see your password. You can now copy it or type it spoke. That will be spokes. Trick number 3 is go to your settings, scroll it up, tap at General, tap at Software Update, and after installing iOS 16.4, now it will give you the permissions to join the iOS 16 developer beta or iOS 16 public beta. When the iOS 16 developer beta or iOS 16 public beta will be available, it will be show you the notification at your devices and you will be able to install this at your devices. Trick number 4 is go to your shortcuts, tap at plus sign, now tap at action. Now select any of the action like shutdown or power off. Tap at shutdown. Now tap at icon to change the icon. You can also change the color of your icon selecting from here. Now down the bottom you can see a plenty of icons. Now choose any of your icon. Tap at done. Now tap at share button. Scroll it up and tap at add to home screen and tap at add. Now your shortcut is available at your home screen. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel too. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.